Hello everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Land. Thank you for joining us in this group. As you know, the topic that raised to the top this week is the basic skills that the children need to master before they get ready to school. But before I cover this topic, I would like to mention two things. The first thing I would like to reinforce is the children who develop love of learning, not only the academic skills, learning new things, exploring new things, will become adults who are rarely bored in life, who can take on more responsibilities. Number two, children must develop independent skills. Most of the time, children would love to do independent activities. It's their parents or the adults around them in the environment who stop them. So, dear parents, dear adults, imperfect situations are fine. So, in this video today, I'm going to cover the skills through three sections. The first section is what are the most important physical skills. The section number two is what are the most important social emotional skills. And the last one is what are the academic skills. I would like to reinforce the first two, the physical skills and the social emotional skills. These are the most important skills that you need to practice with your child. So are you ready? If you would like to hear it, keep on watching. Number one, the physical skills. What are the most important physical skills? Point number one is practice with your child how to get dressed independently. Because imagine if a teacher would need to help 20 to 30 children, and sometimes there are more than 30 children. This means learning time or fun time is over before it's begun. Number two, practice with your child how to eat independently, how to use the tools independently, and how to sit quiet at the table while he's eating. Number three, train your child to use the toilet independently, but don't panic. Accident might happen, especially the first year at school. And the last one, which is the most important one under the physical skills, is invite your child to play, to run, to hop, to climb, because these physical movements help the children to develop the muscles, and especially the smaller muscles that they need for the schoolwork, such as writing, drawing, painting, and so on. Now let's go to the social emotional section, which is number two. Section number two. What are the most important skills in the social emotional section? Number one is give your child opportunities to play with other kids, because this will help the children to learn how to take turns, how to share, and how to communicate, how to socialize with real people, not only dolls, not only chairs, not only iPad screens. Number two is teach your child how to stand up for himself, how to stop someone who's bothering him, friendly and nicely. For example, if someone cut the line and takes his place, he should say, "Oh, excuse me, you know what? This is my place." So train your child to do such things. And number three is train your child how to take care of his own things, of his own belongings, his own lunchbox, his own backpack. And number four is teach your child how to take on challenges, how to keep on trying. So it's okay. Everybody does mistakes, even your mom, even your dad. Everybody does mistakes. We learn from mistakes. So just keep on saying such things, and for example, say, "Oh, you know what? I think you're ready to ride a big bike, or let's try building a big tower of blocks." Just challenge him, just to train with him how to keep on trying doing things. And now the last one is the academic skills. And I think this one is the most skills that parents are planning to do, and they are racing to do the academic skills. However, I'm gonna tell you some points that you might underestimate them. So point number one, encourage a love of books, encourage a love of reading, because reading can develop imagination. And not only this, reading books will teach the child how the text runs from left to right in English, from right to left in Arabic, for example, and ask him questions, ask him to retell the story. This will develop the language. Number two, practice correct pencil control, because sometimes this skill might prevent learning. Number three, don't underestimate crafts and activities, art crafts, art activities, because they help the children to develop fine motor skills and creativity. And number four is have fun counting the plates on the table, have fun counting the buttons on the shirts, have fun counting the steps, for example. Not counting on paper, not doing worksheets and those stuff. And the last one, practice with your child what is similar, what is different. So for example, and this one should be from the environment, like something related to the environment that the child lives on. So for example, or lives in, sorry. For example, if you are in the street and you see a red car, just point to the red car and say, oh, look at this car. This car has the same color as your car toy, for example. Or this doll is different than the one that you have, for example. So these are the most important academic skills. However, if your child is capable of doing more, is learning alphabet or some literacy skills or some math skills, make sure that what you are teaching your child at home is similar to what he's gonna learn in the school. Because I have a short story here. I read one time a story of a mom who was teaching her daughter how to write the alphabet letters. When her daughter went to school, this school taught her how to write the letters in cursive way. So her daughter got lost, and by the end, her handwriting got worse. That's why you need to make sure what you're teaching your child at home is similar to what he's gonna learn in the school. So I hope you got the benefits from this video, and if you would like to learn more, please stay tuned and just read what's gonna posted in the group. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.